In this video, we're going to talk about the elimination method for solving a system. All right, so the method is we're going to manipulate our equations so that two of the variables kind of line up and are opposite of each other. Then we're going to add the equations together so that the variables cancel out. And that's going to give us an equation that only has one variable that we can solve. And as always, we have to make sure we go back and find the full solution to the system, x and y. All right, so we have this equation right here. If we added this, we get 5x and negative y, so it wouldn't cancel out, it wouldn't eliminate one of the variables. So what I'm going to do is try to get these y's to line up and be the same number but opposites. So I'm going to take the top equation and multiply it by this number, 3. So the whole top equation is getting multiplied by 3. And the bottom equation, I'm going to multiply by that number, 2. So I'm just kind of just flip using these numbers in the other equations, be able to distribute to everything. All right, so my equation becomes 6x plus 6y equals 42. 6x minus 6y equals negative 18. Now you can see these y's stacked on top of each other are exact opposites. 6 and negative 6 are opposites. When I add them, they disappear. And as you get this 12x when I add, and this 24 when I add these together, which I can divide and get x equals 2. And if x equals 2, I can figure out y by plugging into either equation. I chose to plug into the top one just because the numbers are smaller. But if x is 2, that means 4. Subtract that 4 to the other side, divide by 2, and I get 5. So my final answer is 2, 5. All right, so this is the elimination method. You can do substitution or elimination. It's kind of up to you. And for me, it's dependent on what the original problem looks like. I mean, now you can go ahead and practice this and make sure you're ready for the test or retake.